Hi all. We're going to do a live stream tomorrow night. That'll be Monday night, the 25th. We're going to have it start at 5 o'clock Pacific time. I think that'll be 8 o'clock in New York on the East Coast. So hope to see you all there. There's not going to be any particular theme. Just to hang out. We're just going to sit around and yak and talk, and whatever happens to pop up, we'll be talking about that. So you can ask both Alan and I any questions you want to ask, and I guess that's just about it. Oh, I'll post a schedule. It should post a schedule, and it should come up to give you the link and the time. It should tell you how much longer you got to wait and all that kind of stuff. So hope to see you all there. Bye.